Actually, makikita pa nila in the 10-second mark sa kanilang shot clock si Mac Cardona who will wiggle his way inside for his fantastic baskets.
So it would be interesting to see how Pure Foods can battle back here. As they almost lose the ball. 5 to shoot para sa Pure Foods, down by 20 is Raimundo with a wild shot. A rare second chance here as James Yap shot is swatted away. And Kobe Raimundo forces the issue for an offensive foul.
Lahat ng pintuan ng Pure Foods sarado ngayong gabi. Sa labas, hindi sila makapasok. Sa loob, double lock pa ang kanilang binigay dito. Masasapal dyan. Sarado ulit ang pinto. Even forcing that offensive foul on Kirby Raimundo.
Fourth personal laban kay Raimundo. A forgettable third quarter here para sa Pure Foods. And Don Aliado will score, and it's now a 22-point game.
As we've mentioned, no, dun sa 2-round matches itong dalawang koponan na ito, tabla po sila. 1-1 ang score. And even their last game, 1-point game lamang ang pinanalo nitong Talk and Text. Ayaw nang maulit ng Talk and Text, kaya dito umaalago na sila.
8 to shoot. Israelimi. And he will have a bonus free throw after that basket.
At wag po kayong magugulat pag ni-report namin that that's only the first 2 points of the otherwise prolific Reda Ralimi, who's hampered by his injury. Picking that foul from Ali Pick. So he will drop to the 4.5-meter line for the bonus free throw, but otherwise Reda Ralimi with his injury is hardly a factor tonight.
One minute remaining in a one-sided third period. Here's Alapag. Has hit big shots from the outside in this game. Cross court, Cardona. And now Aliado. Aliado on the move with 3 to shoot. And he won't get the bounce. Rebound for James Yap. Under a minute to go in the third quarter. Here's Ralimi. Throws the ball away. Here comes Alapag. Alapag on the move. Cardona back to Alapag.
Wala na. Itong Talk and Text, umalagwa na ng tuloy-tuluyan. At nakikita mo, nararamdaman mo na sa balikan nitong mga taga Pure Foods this early. Bumababa na ang mga balikan nitong mga ito.
12 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. 13 remaining in the third quarter. Jonathan Salvador scores the fadeaway.
Well, actually, Jonathan Salvador, one of those Pure Foods players who started it all for them in the first quarter to post their biggest lead. Ngayon na lang uli natin narinig ito.
Wait a minute now. This will mean 3 free throws. 3 free throws for Jimmy Alapag off a foul by Peter June Simon.
That's a veteran move on the part of Jimmy Alapag. Paubos na yung oras natin. Only 3 seconds in our game time for the third quarter. In fact, this would only be the first quarter that Pure Foods scored 20 points. Nung first quarter, they scored only 17. They scored 19 in the second quarter. They would score 20, pero ang kanila namang kalaban, 27 puntos ang in-score. After scoring 22 in the first quarter, 26 in the second, 27 points naman ang output nitong Talk and Text. So all quarters covered by Talk and Text.
Now, Mac Cardona gets a well-deserved rest. And ito, nagtrabaho talaga in the third period. Scoring 12 of his 19 points in this quarter alone. 2 seconds remaining. Binato ni Roger Yap. Diyan magtatapos ang third period. All Talk and Text. Dito po sila lumayo. Dito po nila iniwan ng todo-todo ang Pure Foods in this knockout game. And Chot Reyes is all fired up. His team could be 1 quarter away from setting that knockout date with the Santa Lucia Realtors on Friday. End of the third quarter, lamang ang Phone Pals 77-56.